if you are watching this video, maybe you want to generate some extra income with the help of online. And yes, in this video I'll show you the best ways by which you can make money online. And yes, if you are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, and various other cool ways by which you can generate your first income over online. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe, and yes, also press on the bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So without making delay, let's get started. Number one thing in our list is blogging. Blogging is very important and it's very powerful by which you can generate good amount of money. And yes, in order to start blogging, you don't have to become the master of anything. If you know anything, you can just simply write your articles, write posts, and there are a lot of people who needs your help. And yes, you can help them with the help of your blog, by writing articles or by writing contents. So in order to create a blog, you have to simply buy a domain and hosting. For you people, I have given the link of Bluehost, where you will get the free domain, free SSL certificate, and 60% off on hosting. Make sure you people check it. The link is given in the description. And yes, you can start your blog, blogging from today itself. This is so easy, and I have created a couple of videos on related to blogging. You can just check them out as well. Second thing, what you can do, you can start a YouTube channel. Even if you are a person who is camera shy guy, nothing to worry. There are a lot of things what you can do with the help of YouTube. And yes, you can generate good amount of money by creating videos on YouTube. Maybe if you are a person who doesn't want to show your face, and yes, you can create videos on animation, whiteboard animation, or maybe there are a lot of tools by which you can simply just drag and drop some of the videos or maybe some of the images, and you can create videos and you can generate good amount of money with the help of YouTube. Understand, YouTube is world's second highly searchable, highly traffic visited website, and yes, you can generate huge amount of money. There are a lot of people who are literally making 6-figure or 7-figure with the help of YouTube as well. So it is a very good platform. If you haven't tried yet, you can just check. And yes, there are a lot of people who are already working on YouTube, and you can also make money with the help of YouTube. Third thing in our list is by doing affiliate marketing. So there are a lot of people who are earning good amount of money, and if you personally ask me, most of my revenues are coming from affiliate marketing. And all my videos, whatever you can see in my channel is related to affiliate marketing or something related to making money online. You can check out my different other videos and different strategies by which you can start making money online. And yes, for affiliate marketing, you don't have to be any kind of expert, or it is not required that you need any kind of marketing knowledge or maybe any knowledge of social media or digital marketing or anything. Literally from starting from today itself, you can start doing affiliate marketing. And yes, if you want, you can just check out my other videos as well. In almost all my videos, I give different strategies by which you can make money, and with the help of affiliate marketing basically. And it's a huge big niche, and you can make huge amount of money by selling affiliate products, by doing affiliate marketing. Also, you can become a freelancer. If you don't know how to do what to do, you can go to different websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour, Guru. These are all freelancing websites, and maybe if you have 2 hours or 3 hours of time per day in order to sell your services, you can just simply search any of them, whatever services are aligned with you. Maybe if you are good in graphic designing, maybe if you are good in any kind of content writing, maybe web development, app development, social media, anything. If you have any knowledge, you can sell the services. There are a lot of people who needs your help basically, so you can help them. On behalf of that, you can generate good amount of money with the help of freelancing. Initially, if I talk about my life, I have started my first, I generated my first income over online by doing freelancing. And yes, at the time when I was doing freelancing, I didn't had any idea what will be the future and how long it can give me a growth. But yes, in freelancing, if you are strategic enough, if you know the ways, if you have, but understand one thing, you can, first of all, you can earn huge amount of money with the help of freelancing, but thing is that you have to upgrade your skills as well. So in my other videos also, I always used to say, make sure you people focus on skills, not the money. If you are a skill oriented person, money will automatically come. So focus on learning new skills, learning high income skills, then only you will be able to produce high level of income. This is very important. Focus on skills. If you don't know how to create website, maybe if you don't know how to create app, you have to learn. There are a lot of resources in today's date. If you are thinking that you don't have any resource, you don't know how to do that, how to do this, internet is free of cost and you can learn anything and everything, whatever you want. Make sure you utilize the resources and you can earn good amount of money if you are consistent enough, if you don't lose your patience. Also, you can become an online seller on different kind of e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, eBay, then Jabong, Paytm, whatever. So initially I have created a full video how to become a seller online, and yes, with the help of different online e-commerce platforms you can earn good amount of money. So understand one thing, is the traditional way of shopping is already past, and there are a lot of people, especially the guardian level people. If you ask me, my mom is also doing shopping in Amazon, and yes, the thing is that if I talk about 5 years back, though people were not used to shop in different online websites because of different trust issues, refund issues, and lot of things, whatever what used to take place. But nowadays people are generating good amount of money by selling products online, because people are trusting more and more on online platforms. Yes, with the help of these platforms you can generate good amount of money. I have created a full video how you can become a seller on Amazon, Flipkart, or maybe all the e-commerce platform. The basic principle is same. I have created the full video. Make sure after watching the whole video you can just check out that video as well. It will give you the overview how you can become a seller and you can earn money. The next thing what you can do, you can generate money by selling photos. Now maybe you are thinking that you are not a photographer, or maybe you don't have DSLR, or maybe you don't have any resources. Understand one thing, there are a lot of people who are selling photos online, and there are different websites as well where you can sell your photos, your photographs, and you can generate good amount of money. This is a very good passive source of income. If you are able to capture some good images, then you can upload them, and whenever anyone will buy these photos from any of the website, you can generate good amount of money. I have created a complete video on how to sell photos online. You can, this is already present on my channel, you can just check them out. And yes, almost everything whatever I have mentioned in this particular whole video, I have created individual comprehensive videos on everything whatever I have mentioned. So make sure you check out all other videos present on my channel. Maybe you will understand in a better way. I hope I was able to give a small overview how you can earn with the help of internet. Understand one thing, in today's date, if you are not earning with the help of internet, you are losing a lot of things, because the whole world is running on internet. And yes, this is very high time. If you haven't started working online, if you haven't started making your second source of income, then you are losing huge big thing. So I do not believe on single source of income. Doesn't matter you are housewife or student, or maybe employee, maybe anyone who has single source of income, maybe you are doing job or anything. But yes, in the free time, in the free with the free resources, you can generate good amount of money online, and there are plenty of people who are doing the same thing. But thinking that these are all things not for you, maybe this won't work for you, then you are seriously just demotivating yourself, you are underestimating yourself. Never ever do that. Make sure you people utilize all the resources whatever you grab. And yes, the most important part, do not become information junkie. Information and planning will not give you a result, will not give you any money. Execution of plan will give you money. So I hope I was able to give a value in this video. If you have any other concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. We'll meet you in the next video. Have a great day.